Hello, Zimri, out here reporting in the heart of Los Angeles. I'm going to an urban futsal place. It's like an indoor soccer place where I play every Wednesday. Basically, my man Roy, he wants me to try to make some logo ideas for them. So I'm gonna go there, give you guys some insight into what it's like to play there, and also hopefully we can ask some of the common people what kind of ideas they might have for a logo schmogo. So let's go. I'm here at Urban Futsal LA. Very cool environment. Have a lot of different levels. So if you want to come down, check it out. I'll put the description of the address right here if you want to come check it out if you live in LA. Okay, but basically we're going to be walking around interviewing some people to see if they have any cool logo ideas. Let's say somebody was making a new logo for this place, Urban Futsal. What do you think are some cool things that you might try or you would like to see?
Probably like an old ball, just like, and it says Urban Futsal in the bottom, but like all in cursive.
I feel like something with the letters, with Urban Futsal, like the U and the F.
The chief differences would be the shoes, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like with outdoor, you've got cleats, indoor, it's flats, you've got that.
I do like a certain style though, which is like negative space. I like the use of negative space, like when you see certain imagery or designs that you didn't necessarily notice right off the bat. Like the FedEx logo, how you can see like the arrow in there, yeah.
Do you have an all-time favorite logo?
The best and most simplest sportswear logo that I wear often would be Adidas, and I feel like it's trending a lot.
A big Steve Jobs fan in terms of inspiration and how typography was like really big for him.
For me, it would be Real Betis, mainly because they have like the colors green and also like they have like a little crown with a little triangle.
Specifically for you, what kind of things bring you enjoyment? A few words about playing here.
I think it's all like gathering family and all that. Like, I really don't know these people, but I feel like I know them. You get me?
You're connected through the same activity.
I've seen a lot of great players here that have either transformed into even better with their game or like people that have just started here and have become great players.
Who's the best player in the co-ed league?
Besides me?
In my league, I think this dude. This guy has become a wall.
I mean, it's really funny he said that because I think he's the best player in my league.
We are back at the Chocolate Factory, Willow Wonka. But here are some ideas of the things that people might like to see. So we got an old ball, something with the U and the F, something with shoes, like futsal shoes, the size of goals, how small they are, chain nets, something urban, and then a few of the kind of overarching concepts that I was picking up on were family and improvement. It is a couple days after I was at the Urban Futsal joint, so I've put together a Pinterest board, and I actually have some ideas, but I want to show you guys. I was looking at a number of things, like what people do for sports in general, layout ideas of typography, as well as some ways to customize typography that might give us some of like the quickness and speed ideas that, and maybe like ideas of inclusion or family. This one that was really cool, and it's by Adidas as well. This one's really nice also. And then I was looking at things like this for kind of a speed idea to show, you know, how fast the game is. And then there were a couple like urban or grungy ideas, like the Euro Garden in the bottom left here. I don't think we want to go in that direction, but no harm in trying it out. I really like the feeling of the thing in the left middle here, this run icon, and also the thing in the top here. I like that. Those were some of my inspirations. I've already come up with like 4 or 5 designs. Let's take a look at them and see how they are. Printer, print for me, sir. Okay, so let's look at, here's the first option. Again, this is kind of more like the grungy font. So the most interesting thing about like futsal shoes is kind of the base of the shoe. I thought that was the only way to get like a shoe concept in there. But overall, I don't think this is really as appropriate for the spot. I don't think it's as modern or slick as it should be. So I probably will leave this idea behind. Goodbye, farewell, sir. This one I really like. I connected the F to the T in futsal. So we have a little goal here. And then I've put a circle in the U to make like a goalkeeper. And then overall it gives some personality to all this typography here. And I think there's a strong feeling of family and connection by like integrating and overlapping some of the typography on each other. The only thing that I think could make this improved is I think it might be a little bit too friendly and not as sharp and edgy as it could be. So I might take this idea and change the typography or make my own custom typography that has like really cornered edges, and especially on the U's. Okay, so option number 3, this guy, again, I kind of wanted to work with the idea of the chains. The chains go like this kinda, and they have like these bulbous metal edges here. So I thought this font was kind of indicative of the chains. And then the idea here is like, there's a middle circle and then here's the middle and you kick off from there and things. But I really feel like this feels very basketball-ish. But I do like the angle of the typography in this one. But again, I just don't think it'll work that well. I think it's a little bit too basketball-ish. So let's keep going. This one is actually very strong. I like this concept quite a lot, actually. Maybe. So this ball here was given as inspiration from John and Roy, and I think they wanted to see me try an idea. Here's the image that they gave me. So I wasn't actually sure what part of that they liked, whether it was this kind of ball idea or if they liked to me it looks kind of like a blueprint or a sketch. So I went with the ball. I think that'll work, give a strong idea for it. And then I did some more custom typography. Again, I feel like these look like metal or steel poles. I made this, and then of course I dissected it here with some scissors, and now we have like a goal. Then here's the UF based on this typography here. The only problem with this logo is that it's so tall. And then my final one was this one. This one is like, again, using the same ball icon idea, but it's like the most simple to do, but it actually might be technically the strongest. I might work on some of the kerning here, but I don't necessarily, I personally am not drawn to like website headers that have like a circle logo. They just feel contained. That's what I got so far. I might try another idea, but I might also make the changes to these. And also I've got a little bit more clarity about which ones I don't like and I do like. So let's go, homios, bro, go. So let's start on the first one. What did I want to do? I wanted to remove this thing. Let's go ahead and do like a whole, just like a corner. Grab out a bunch of rulers, find the places I want to make the points, black box, another black box, and then we'll hide the guides. And now I can press Shift M, and so we'll cut that out, and then we'll connect. So that's a really fast way we've just made it really curvy and edgy. So let me try to do that to everybody. No, that's pretty sick. Okay, this is really cool. This might be my new favorite now. Okay, so if we do that in combination with this, could be really sick. Let's do a cool thing where we make a box. We're gonna invert it. UF C, but no C, it's just UF. Okay, so the top is the before and the bottom is the after. They're both very similar, but I think the top one is a little bit too friendly and artsy, and the bottom one is a little bit more modern and edgy. And then we still have the cool idea of like the keeper guarding the small size goal. And how do we know it's a small size goal? Because our keeper, in proportion to the goal, is very large. Okay, let's move to the next one. I think really our goal needs to be like taller, so let's move these down some. Who made this font? I want to talk to your manager. This thickness here, I'm gonna make it the same over here. Scoundrels. Kablam! Now we got a huge N. And then let's build some other versions of it. So we can grab this and maybe kablam. There we go. Nope. There we go. Okay, and then we take our UF and we put it right in there, and somehow it fits like a charm. Oh my gosh. But then I guess the only question is like, does this look like a soccer ball to you? Maybe, not really. Does it have to look like a soccer ball? Probably. I'm in trouble. So what if we go like this, and we could do it whenever they need to like use it like this. So this is something Roy talked to me about, like, if they want to go to different cities or something, then we could definitely do like a OC, Orange County. It could be like that. Nah, it's too small. Like this. This could be cool too. That one's even less like a soccer ball. That one's like a tennis ball. Okay, we're cool. All right, let's get out of here. Get out of here. Clips tool 3, enter, sick with it beats. We go like this. What if I randomly add a point? And then it looks a lot like a shield. So let's add another point. Oh, that's pretty sick. Look at that. That's like a whole thing. Let's just rotate it. There you go. That's sick. So this is what I got now. This will fit very well anywhere. This will fit even better anywhere. The whole idea of the goalkeeper guarding the goal, and the goal is pretty small, works really well, I think. Okay, so Dope Boy Freshes, I'm gonna mock these up in different schemes, how I want to mock them up, and then we'll do a poll to see which one of these logo concepts you guys like the most. Thank you very much. So there's this one. This one we will call the Keeper logo. Yes, sir. The second option for the poll is this boy. And we will call this one in the poll the Rock Ball. The Rock Ball logo. Okay, so let me know, kind, awesome possums, in the poll right now, which logo you might think would work better for urban futsal. And then I'll send off these options, and we can hear from John and Roy and everybody else as well. Stay awesome, possum. I'll see you later, alligator, in another life with another body, possibly. Okay, bye. Karma's awesome. Okay, whatever.